There she goes. She must be mad about the fire still. She locked me out. Alrighty then. If you haven't seen the fire video, it's the last one before this one that I just published. Yeah, she's not happy. You know, it's almost like she was in the fire fighting it and had to clean up 99%. Now I have to go break into my house. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Today we are going to unwinterize the camper. If you haven't seen the video where I winterized the camper, you should probably go see that. I'll try and put a link in the description for you, but I don't remember which one of these. I brought 2 bottles in thinking I'd need both, and I don't remember which one I used, but the bottles stayed in here. I am going to try to recover as much of this as I can. You can see I will not be recovering that antifreeze, but it looks like it goes over to the sink, so this should be the furthest point. So I'm guessing I'm going to get the most out of this, and maybe a drip out of that, and maybe a drip out of that. I don't remember if I filled the hose or if I drained it or what. Well, first thing we got to do is school bus, squirrel. First thing we got to do is get under here and figure out what is going on, because it's a mess. We got bypasses on the heater. I mean, that's okay. I can handle that all right. Somebody has taken the tank sensor out, and I don't know if it was my grandfather or if it was somebody after him. Yeah, it was scary. So I think, based on what I see here, I have no clue what's going on. It looks like it comes out of the... This is my antifreeze hose, which is capped off, so that's good. Get that out of the way. It looks like it comes out of the tank, loops around here, loops around again. Okay, and then goes to the strainer, which is disgusting. I should clean that, huh? I don't know why we're getting bubbles, but I don't know if you can see it or not. We got bubbles in the tank. You know, I'm going to leave this off for a second and see if I can empty that strainer without making a mess. Because that's not good. It's brown. Yeah. I don't think that's the antifreeze. Is it? Oh, maybe it is the antifreeze. Let's flush it out first and we'll try it. So let's turn this on and do the exact opposite of what I just said I was going to do. Well, that should allow water to flow. My tank drains. My drains are closed. Oh, now they're closed. Maybe. Yeah, I think that's closed. We're going to find out. I think you got pink stuff. Maybe it leaked a little bit here at one point. Looks like we got a spot for mice to go under there, so I'll have to plug that up. Because we did have mice this winter. Alright, let's get busy. Everything's dirty. Oh, I gotta turn the pump on. Okay, pump turned on, pump turned off. I guess we're good there. Let's see what we get. I think we're at our limit. Looks to me like it's that jug, so we'll put it back in that one. So I used just over a half a gallon, 3/4 of a gallon. I'll fill this. Let's see how much we can get back. that was a quart. We get any more? Same side, hot water. I didn't do a very good job putting that faucet in. Okay, we get a little bit more. Cold side. Starting to look like clear water again. Let's see if we got it all. I'm going to say that we got it all. Well, we could have got another drop, but we didn't. Alright, we got that much. Okay, it's about what I expected. I don't care about the toilet because you just flush that anyway, right? Alright, let's try this sink. I think we're doing pretty good. Really? Damn it. I think we got a little bit of water. It should be. I mean, negative 50. We didn't go negative at all. 2 days last winter, maybe. So, we got it back. We've recovered it. The other thing we need to do at some point is unbypass that hot water heater, but I want to check the anode first before I do that, which is just you turn the knobs back on and then you turn this one so it doesn't bypass. It's a cluster, but it works. That's it. I'm just undo these, flip that over, run it back through, and we're done. Next up, we need a deep cleaning. Carpets, bathtub. Oh, look at that. Did I miss this one? I don't think I put an LED in that one. I think I missed that one. What is going on out here? I think this truck quit. Yep. His truck quit. There's always something around here. Never ever quiet. Alright, enough of that drama. Turn my pump back off. Put my cushions back together. On this camper, this hangs. There's little hooks in here that hang on that bar. And I guess we're done. Not bad, I don't think. Well, thanks for watching.